Hello and welcome to This is Deb's Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this egg omelette with tomato. So this is a very easy recipe, and basically we need just the eggs, a big tomato, and that's it. Then also the salt, the pepper, and the cumin that is optional. So we will put in a pan the oil, the 4 tablespoons of oil, and the butter also. And now I will clean and cut this big tomato. Like this in a half centimeter. Okay, it's ready, and now we are going to remove these ugly parts that the tomato has, like this. So now is ready the tomato for the frying pan. We are putting like this. We need to cover all the surface. You can cut to the middle if you need. Okay, like this. We will cook for about 2 minutes, and then in the other side, and I will put a little bit of salt, also a little bit of pepper. It will be more tasty. Okay, now we turn to the other side. So we will cook this tomato 2 minutes from one side and another 2 minutes in the other side. Now I will mix very well these 4 eggs. A little bit of salt, and also cumin if you like it. It's very tasty. We mix, and now we will put this in the tomato. We will cook for some minutes, and now I will cover until it's ready. So I will put in a plate. Be careful because it is hot, and turn to the other side to cook 1 or 2 minutes more, and it's ready. It's very easy and very delicious recipe. So thanks for watching, thumbs up and subscribe.